Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can recover recently deleted post on Instagram. For example, if I go into my profile and click on a post I have posted earlier, for example, if I delete one of the posts in my post section, as you can see in the video, I am deleting my Instagram post. After that, I will show you how you can recover this post from Instagram. To recover this post, first of all, you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on your activity. In your activity, you have to scroll down and you will find recently deleted. Here you will find a recently deleted post and also you will find recently deleted stories. As you can see, these posts and stories will remain here for 30 days if you want to restore. If you restore this post after 30 days, then these posts will not be available here. So you have to restore that post within the 3 days. As you can see, I have deleted that post recently. Now I want to restore that post. Then I have to click on three dots. After three dots, you can see there is an option of restore. If I click on restore, then this post will be restored again to my Instagram profile. This will take some time. After that, you will see your profile, then this post will be again showing on your Instagram profile. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.